10 signs. You're a highly observant person who sees things. Others don't. Some individuals stand out for their exceptional ability to notice the details that others often overlook. These highly observant people possess unique skills that allow them to navigate life with a keen sense of awareness and understanding. If you've ever wondered whether you fit into this category, here are 10 signs that suggest you might be a highly observant person who sees things others don't. 1. Attention to detail. One of the most telling signs of a highly observant person is their uncanny ability to notice the small things. Whether it's a subtle change in someone's appearance, a minor shift in the arrangement of objects in a room, or a fleeting expression on a friend's face, you have a knack for picking up on details that others might miss. This attention to detail extends to your conversations, where you can recall specific points and nuances others may have overlooked. 2. Active listening. When engaged in a conversation, you're not just waiting for your turn to speak, you're actively listening to the other person. You give them your full attention, free from distractions, and you can pick up on the subtle changes in their tone, inflection, and emotions. This ability to listen actively allows you to remember details from past conversations and to build stronger, more meaningful connections with others. 3. Body language analysis. As a highly observant person, you're attuned to the nonverbal cues people express through their body language. You can read the subtle gestures, facial expressions, and micro-expressions that reveal a person's true feelings and intentions. This skill allows you to recognize inconsistencies between what someone says and what their body language communicates, giving you a deeper understanding of the people around you. 4. Heightened senses. Your observational skills may be tied to your heightened senses. Whether it's a particularly keen sense of smell, taste, touch, sight, or hearing, you can notice subtle changes in your environment that others might overlook. You might pick up on a faint scent that triggers a memory, notice a slight change in the texture of an object, or hear a distant sound that others don't register. These heightened senses contribute to your ability to make observations and draw conclusions about the world around you. 5. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Your observational skills extend beyond the physical world and into the emotional realm. You have a strong sense of empathy and emotional intelligence, which allows you to pick up on the moods and feelings of others. You can often anticipate people's needs and reactions and adapt your behavior to different social situations. This emotional awareness makes you a supportive friend, an understanding partner, and a valuable team member. 6. Curiosity and inquisitiveness. Highly observant people are often driven by a deep curiosity and a desire to learn. You ask probing questions to better understand the people and situations you encounter. You seek out new experiences and perspectives, always looking to expand your knowledge and broaden your horizons. This curiosity fuels your observational skills as you constantly seek new insights and connections. 7. Analytical thinking. Your observational abilities are closely tied to your analytical thinking skills. When faced with a complex situation, you can break it into smaller, more manageable components. You can identify cause and effect relationships and develop evidence-based conclusions and solutions. This analytical approach allows you to see patterns and connections that others might miss and to develop creative solutions to problems. 8. Situational awareness. As a highly observant person, you're always aware of your surroundings and the potential risks and opportunities they present. You can anticipate challenges and adapt quickly to changing circumstances. This situational awareness is invaluable in personal and professional settings, allowing you to navigate complex situations confidently and efficiently. 9. Creativity and imagination. Your observational skills fuel your creativity and imagination. You can see beyond the obvious and think outside the box, finding unique connections and patterns that others might miss. This ability to see the world from a different perspective allows you to generate innovative ideas and solutions and approach problems with fresh eyes. 4. Intuition and gut instincts. In addition to your logical reasoning skills, you rely on your intuition and gut instincts when making decisions. You trust your instincts when something feels off or right. You use this intuition with your observational skills and analytical thinking to navigate complex situations. This combination of intuition and logic allows you to make sound decisions and respond effectively to challenges.